Do you keep dealing with soggy soil, cracking pavement, or retaining walls that just won't hold up? Many contractors and homeowners still rely on gravel or sand to manage drainage, and honestly, it's a hassle. It's heavy to install, expensive to haul, and it doesn't always work long term. Say hello to non-woven Geotextile Fabrica High Performance, engineered fabric that's changing how we build below the surface. It's lightweight, easy to roll out, and designed to do the hard work for you. It lets water flow through while keeping soil and debris out. It stops erosion before it starts. It reinforces your base weather. It's a driveway, a retaining wall, or even a landfill cell. And yes, it works underground, under stone, under turf, you name it, with excellent permeability, strength, and chemical resistance. It lasts for decades even under tough conditions. Plus, no more hauling gravel. That means faster installation and lower labor costs. That's why thousands of landscapers, engineers, and municipalities are switching to non-woven geotextile fabric. From road construction to rooftop gardens, it's the go-to choice for smart, sustainable, and scalable drainage. It's available now in bulk, custom sizes, and ready to ship. So if you're ready to build better from the ground up, click the link, get a quote, and make the smart move with non-woven geotextile fabric today.